A very good morning to one and all. Children, this is again your English teacher, Miss Rashika Bhalla, and we are going to continue with English literature. Children, what we did in the last two classes? The raindrops, right? So we are going to continue with that and finish our lesson today. But before we start reading, let us quickly revise of what we did. Children, in this lesson, the raindrops, we have seen a farmer addressed as Farmer Seth, and this farmer had a large field of wheat. Okay, he did all the hard work that was required, and he kept on praying for the rain to take place, but still all his crops of wheat were dying. Okay, they were dying and drying because his prayers were not answered. That means there was no rain. Alright, so children, as there was no rain, the farmer was very, very sad. Okay, then the two little raindrops named Pit and Pat saw him and they felt very sorry for him. Okay, they felt very sorry and they wanted to help the farmer. Yes, children. Then we even saw that Pat, the raindrop named Pat, was little confused. Okay, he thought that we are just two little raindrops. How can we water such a big field? Okay, but then we saw in the next page that Pit told Pat that his intention or its intention of going down is just to cheer the farmer up. Alright, Pit told Pat that he knows he won't be able to water the whole field, right? But at least it can cheer the farmer. Alright, and then both the raindrops decided to go down and cheer the farmer. Okay, make the farmer happy. Pit landed on the farmer's nose and Pat fell on the stalk of wheat. And when the two raindrops came down, children, the farmer actually got happy. Yes, the farmer actually cheered up and the farmer got hope. The hope that it will rain. Okay, children, we have seen till here in our last classes. Now we are going to continue. Everyone will pay attention in the book. By this time, many raindrops had come together to see what the two raindrops were up to. When they saw the kind little drops going down to cheer the farmer and water his wheat, one remarked, "If you two are going on such a good errand, I'll go too." And down it came. "Me too," said another. Children, we have seen in this paragraph that when these two raindrops got down and made the farmer happy, the other raindrops which were there in the sky, they also decided that they will also come down and make the farmer happy and cheer the farmer up. All right, errand here means, children, that you are going. Errand means a short trip. Okay, a short trip to do some work. Okay, so we saw that once Pit and Pat came down, the other raindrops also joined them. Okay, and me, and me, and me. And so they all joined Pit and Pat until a whole shower came down and the wheat was watered. Okay, that means after seeing Pit and Pat, all the raindrops which were there in the sky, they all came down along with Pit and Pat, and hence there was a good amount of rain which watered the whole field of wheat. Is that okay, children? Okay. Now let us come back to the last paragraph. Then the wheat grew and ripened, and farmer Seth rejoiced. All his hard work was finally rewarded because one little raindrop tried to do whatever little it could. Children, this finishes your last paragraph. This last paragraph meant that when the whole field was watered, farmer Seth danced with happiness. Okay, he was so happy that it showed. Okay, he showed that he is very happy. All right, and this lesson teaches you that even one little raindrop can do wonders, right? Yes, children. And at the end, you can see in the picture, on the page, it is written anonymous. Children, anonymous means that we don't know the name of the person who wrote this story. Okay? So children, I'm going to read it once again for you all from where we started today. All of you, please pay attention. By this time, many raindrops had come together to see what the two raindrops were up to. When they saw the kind little drops going down to cheer the farmer and water his wheat, one remarked, "If you two are going on such a good errand, I'll go too." And down it came. "Me too," said another. "And me, and me, and me." And so they all joined Pit and Pat until a whole shower came down and the wheat was watered. Then the wheat grew and ripened, and farmer Seth rejoiced. All his hard work was finally rewarded because one little raindrop tried to do whatever little it could. Children, I hope this lesson is clear to you all. You all are going to read this again from the very beginning and answer some of the questions which I will be asking you all in our class. Is that okay, children? All right. I hope you will enjoy reading. Have a good day, children. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.